Hey, what's going on, everybody? That's Joe back with the Menace SI Racing Project, and today I'm coming with another video. I bought a new part, and it is right here. It's a Skunk2 shift knob. It's a weird thing because I was looking at all the racing shops that were near me, calling around. Nobody had in stock. They said it'd take a week, 2 weeks, whatever. Nobody had in stock, so I googled it, and the funny thing is, the only thing that popped up was Pep Boys, and I didn't even know they sold Skunk2 parts. So that was funny. And then not only that, they said if I order right now online that I would receive $15 off right off, off just buying it offline. So I did that, and then they said it was available for pickup. I just went straight to the store, picked it on up. It was really easy. It's pretty cool. Just a little surprised where I got it. Yeah, but I'm gonna be putting it on probably later on today. Right now I'll unbox it and we'll see what it looks like. See what it comes with. So of course comes with the little decal, little sticker. Comes with like some kind of packet, like a little Skunk2 packet. Let's open it up, see what's in there. So this little warranty card, guess official, just showing you that it's official and everything. And of course the Skunk2 book. I have another one of these from another part I bought. All it is shows you, the type of parts they're selling and stuff currently. And then also comes with this little lock nut, which I don't think I really need. I think the car already has one, so I probably won't need this. I'll see. I'll check it out. See, I still gotta figure out how to take off the original shift knob. I saw a couple videos. They took it off in different ways. Not really sure which one's correct, but I'll figure it out. And then here's the actual shift knob, and then here's the top part of it. 6-speed. This thing's really heavy. It has to be a few pounds. Yeah, it's real heavy. Feels like maybe like steel. Not sure what it's made out of, but the heavier they are, I guess, the quicker you're supposed to help you shift or whatever. But yeah, I look forward to putting this on, probably today, sometime today, and then I'll make like a update video with my car as of right now, because I did a bunch of little things. So I'll just do a full roundabout of the car and show everybody what I did and what it looks like. And also I still got to do that K-tuner K-tuner review video. I'll probably end up doing that within a couple days. I just haven't had time. But I really do like it. I really do enjoy the K-tuner. It's made the car so much better. I recommend K-tuner for anyone that doesn't have it. I recommend it. It changes the car a lot, and it feels way better. And they say it's they tuned it, when they were tuning the settings that they did put, they were conservative with them, so you don't have to worry about it's gonna blow your car or blow the motor up or whatever by using the K-tuner tunes. They should be pretty safe. I was driving the car around. Seems pretty safe, but it just it lets you take past that stock limit. And I think the only reason why they limited in the stock ECU is to save gas and to be efficient. Other than that, I think the gas goes pretty much the same unless you're just really gassing it all the time. I have been because of the sound it makes. I love the sound. Sounds really nice, and I've just been gassing it a lot, so I've been using a lot of gas lately. But I'll probably stop doing that eventually when I get used to it. But yeah, I'm gonna be having some more videos soon. Update on just the all-around car, and then another video on the K-tuner review. So be looking forward for that, and also I'm gonna go install this as well. So thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, subscribe, give me some subscribers, because I'm really lacking right there. But thanks a lot. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you next time. All right.